pretty played. I recorded it, but I wasn't smart. I didn't plug in my microphone. So, I'm going to restart. Bleep 2.0. There we go. My dog's barking. I don't know if you hear. Okay. So I've done this. I always get the buttons wrong. Oh, what? So that's gonna happen. Whew. That's something I always forget though. I can sprint. Oh dang, there's a lot of you guys. Beep 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 beep. What? You look like me float up in the air, yo. Oh, what the heck? I mean, alright, I'll just keep taking you. Ooh, I've never got one of these before. Ah, poo. Throw all these little poo heads in here. And let's create a coop ahead of time. Throw you in there. Okay. Ooh, there's a ton of them here. I could get the tabby cats and be a-okay. Wrong button again. Why am I not? I don't know why I just gave it to them, considering I have the other guys at my house or at home. I could feed them, but nah. I just feed the ones in the wild. Ooh, poop, 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 poop. I want to poop, yeah. Poop, 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 poop. Carrots. Carrots. There's another one of these. I don't want you guys messing with this, so boom. Oh goodness gracious. I really want both of these. No, 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 no. Boom. Stay in there, you little poops. You look like them, so it makes sense. I'll throw you in here, button again. Just left it, I got most of it back. Did you just vomit on that? Control yourself. I need to be vomiting on everything. Did I pick that up? I don't know. Boom, bada boom, boom, boom. Poops. I can't pick up poops. And then pick up poops. 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 Please. I'm trying to get the poops. 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 I don't need you. Poops. Did I get the poops? No. Poops. Did I get it now? I think. So. Did I get all the poops? No, there's some poops over here. I got more poop. Thank you, kind sir. I mean, or woman, I don't know. Let's see if the guys down here have any poop. So I'm probably gonna have to censor that, because that looks like some slime sex. Maybe banging. Poop. Because I really wanted that plort. I really wanted that poop. I have to go. You little poop. No! I'm just gonna leave it. Too many poop problems. I don't need to deal with these poop problems. There's too many poop problems. Poop problems. I don't know what the point of that was. Carrots. I'd rather... Are y'all trying to get him? Well, guess what? He's not up for grabs. He is not up for grabs. Wrong button again. Oh. Oof, I thought I already had lost all of them. I didn't. I did lose some. I'm just going crazy. Yeah, I want to get the tabby plorts. Tabby. You're ugly. You're like a creepy jack-o'-lantern. Let's be a superhero. Boom, 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 boom. Ow! Ow! I'm trying to help, and this is what I get? No, Tabby, I want you. I'm done. Tia. You know, freaking rock guy. Ah. I'm taking the chicken. The hen. You gave that hurt. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Little poopy cute thing. I needed that. And you just took it from me. Why? How could this happen to me? Ooh, I want you guys. You guys are doing the dirty do. Oh, but what? Ow. Wait, am I saying ow and I'm not even getting hurt? I feel like... Now I'm getting hurt. Oh, it doesn't... Him. What? Go! Boom, yeah. I'm going insane. I wanted that. I just want to pick up the poop. You already ate the poop, so I want the poop. Yeah. Okay, do you guys have any poop? We could have like a poop party. You guys would just poop. Using them to get... That's an orgy right there. Ooh, tabby! I'm probably gonna get rid of some of these tabbies, because I don't want to have too many. Because I'm gonna need high walls if I am large-os. Because they're a large-o pain in my butt. Set them free. And... Ow. I'm just trying to be nice and you're trying to hurt me. Okay, I need 350. I'll keep a few. Well, I just threw all of them all over the place. The poop is no longer fresh. It's crucial. I need to get money fast. Oh, I don't... Gosh darn it, Marissa. I also don't want you. I didn't even mean to pick you up. Chicken. Hen. So many hens. Did you just freaking take that one from me? You did. You most certainly did. I'm just gonna throw it down. That bounce! Who knew poop could bounce so much? I'm just getting all the chickens. Oh no, I did.